Imagine an animal with a duck's bill, a beaver's tail, and otter-like feet. Now picture it laying eggs like a reptile, but nursing its young like a mammal. This isn't a creature from a fantastical tale, it's the remarkable platypus, a testament to the wonders of evolution found only in eastern Australia, including Tasmania. When European naturalists first encountered the platypus in the late 18th century, they were utterly bewildered. Some even believed it to be a hoax. Was it a bird, a reptile, or something else entirely? This duck-billed platypus, as it was initially dubbed, defied easy categorization. Its bizarre combination of features sparked debate and fueled scientific curiosity for decades. The platypus remains an enigma, captivating our imagination with its unique blend of characteristics. Join us as we delve into the world of this extraordinary creature, exploring its peculiar adaptations, its watery realm, and the ongoing efforts to ensure its survival. Prepare to be amazed by the platypus, a living testament to nature's boundless creativity. The platypus, scientifically known as Ornithorhynchus anatomus, belongs to an exclusive group of mammals called monotremes. Monotremes, unlike the vast majority of mammals, lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. This unique reproductive strategy sets them apart in the mammalian world. Monotremes, unlike the vast majority of mammals, lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The female platypus will lay 1 to 3 eggs and incubate them by curling around them for about 10 days until they hatch. This ancient lineage represents a fascinating link to our reptilian ancestors. The platypus's evolutionary history dates back millions of years, providing a living glimpse into the distant past. However, the platypus goes beyond simply laying eggs. It has adapted to both aquatic and terrestrial environments, showcasing its versatility. Like other mammals, it has fur and produces milk to nourish its offspring. The mother platypus secretes milk through specialized mammary gland ducts, and the young lap it up directly from the skin as she lacks nipples. This unique combination of reptilian and mammalian traits baffled early scientists and cemented the platypus's status as an evolutionary marvel. When the first specimen was sent to Europe, many believed it to be a hoax, a stitched-together creature. Their fur, incidentally, is incredibly dense and waterproof. This adaptation is crucial for an animal that spends so much time in the water, providing insulation and buoyancy. This keeps them warm and dry, even after hours spent in chilly waters. The platypus can regulate its body temperature, maintaining warmth in cold environments. They even have specialized hairs on their bellies, which help them to better grip their young while they nurse. This ensures that the young are securely held and can feed effectively. But the platypus's peculiarities don't end there. Its unique behaviors and adaptations continue to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Its bill, unlike the hard beak of a duck, is a soft, rubbery structure. This bill is not just for show, it is a highly specialized tool for foraging. This remarkable appendage is packed with sensitive electroreceptors, enabling the platypus to detect the faint electrical fields generated by its prey underwater. This allows it to hunt effectively, even in murky waters where visibility is low. This remarkable adaptation makes the platypus one of the few mammals capable of electroreception. This ability is shared with only a handful of other species, making it a rare and fascinating trait. The platypus truly embodies the wonders of evolution, showcasing a unique blend of traits that highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Its existence challenges our understanding of what it means to be a mammal and continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. The platypus, beyond its intriguing classification, possesses a remarkable physique that sets it apart. Its body is streamlined and hydrodynamic, perfectly adapted for a life spent largely in the water. A layer of dense, velvety fur provides insulation, keeping the platypus warm even in the coldest streams. Its iconic duck-like bill, soft and leathery, is far more than just a peculiar facial feature. This sensitive organ is covered in electroreceptors, allowing the platypus to detect the faint electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of its prey. It's a sixth sense of sorts, helping them navigate murky waters and locate hidden invertebrates. Webbed feet with retractable claws further enhance the platypus's aquatic prowess. These webbed feet provide powerful propulsion in the water. On land, the webbing retracts, revealing sharp claws used for digging burrows along the banks of rivers and streams. Finally, the platypus sports a broad flat tail similar to a beaver's, serving multiple purposes. Primarily, it acts as a rudder for steering in the water, providing stability and control. The tail also serves as a fat storage reserve, similar to a camel's hump, providing energy during lean periods. Section 4. Making a home in the Outback. The platypus is endemic to eastern Australia, including the island of Tasmania. Its preferred habitat is freshwater rivers and streams, ranging from clear, fast-flowing waterways to still, murky pools. They favour areas with plenty of bankside vegetation, which provides cover from predators and nesting materials. Platypuses are particularly fond of habitats with an abundance of submerged logs, rocks and overhanging banks. These features provide ideal locations for building their burrows, which serve as resting places, breeding dens and protection from predators. While they are strong swimmers, platypuses also spend a considerable amount of time on land. They maintain and expand their burrows, groom their dense fur and rest in their dry, secluded dens. Their burrows, often elaborate and complex, feature multiple entrances, some submerged and others hidden amongst the roots of trees. The platypus's presence is an indicator of a healthy freshwater ecosystem. Their specific habitat requirements make them vulnerable to habitat loss and degradation, emphasizing the importance of conservation efforts to protect these unique creatures and their fragile freshwater homes. Section 5. The platypus's electrifying hunt. The platypus is a fascinating carnivore, relying on a diet of aquatic invertebrates to fuel its active and unique lifestyle. This semi-aquatic mammal spends a significant amount of time foraging in the water, searching for its next meal. Their prey includes a variety of insect larvae, worms, freshwater shrimp and crayfish. These small creatures provide the necessary nutrients for the platypus to thrive in its environment. To locate these creatures hidden in the mud and silt of riverbeds, the platypus employs a remarkable and highly specialized hunting strategy. As it swims along the bottom, the platypus moves its sensitive bill from side to side in a sweeping motion, almost like a metal detector searching for hidden treasures. This bill is equipped with thousands of electroreceptors, specialized organs capable of detecting the weak electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of their prey. These electroreceptors are incredibly sensitive, allowing the platypus to pick up even the faintest of signals. These electrical signals are then transmitted to the platypus's brain, creating a detailed sensory map of its surroundings. This map helps the platypus navigate and hunt with precision. This allows the platypus to see its prey even in complete darkness or murky water, making it a highly efficient predator. Whether it's day or night, clear or murky, the platypus can always find its next meal. Once the platypus detects a potential meal, it uses its strong clawed feet to dig into the riverbed, unearthing its prey. These claws are not only useful for digging, but also for gripping and handling its catch. It then scoops up the hapless creature in its beak, storing it in cheek pouches until it surfaces to feed. These cheek pouches act as temporary storage, allowing the platypus to continue hunting without interruption. The platypus lacks teeth, so it grinds its food between grinding pads located in its mouth before swallowing. This unique adaptation ensures that the platypus can efficiently process its food, making the most of every meal it catches. Section 6. Raising a family platypus style. The platypus, true to its unusual nature, has a unique and fascinating reproductive cycle. This monotreme, one of the few egg-laying mammals, showcases an extraordinary blend of reptilian and mammalian traits. Unlike most mammals, which give birth to live young, the platypus lays eggs. This rare characteristic sets it apart in the animal kingdom, making its reproductive process a subject of great interest. Breeding season typically occurs in late winter or early spring, with males competing for the attention of females. These competitions can be quite intense, involving displays of strength and agility. After mating, the female platypus retreats to her burrow, which she modifies for breeding purposes. She meticulously prepares this space to ensure it is secure and comfortable. She constructs a special nesting chamber lined with soft leaves and grasses to provide a safe and comfortable environment for her eggs. This nesting chamber is crucial for the protection and development of her offspring. The female typically lays 1 to 3 small leathery eggs, which are quite different from the hard-shelled eggs of birds and reptiles. She incubates these eggs by curling her body around them, maintaining a consistent and warm temperature necessary for their development. After about 10 days, the eggs hatch and tiny, underdeveloped platypuses emerge. These newborns are incredibly vulnerable and require constant care. Blind and hairless at birth, the young platypuses rely entirely on their mother for nourishment. They are completely dependent on her for survival during these early stages. The mother platypus lacks nipples. Instead, milk is secreted from mammary glands located on her abdomen. This unique method of feeding is another fascinating aspect of the platypus's biology. The young lap up this nutritious milk as it pools on her fur. This milk is rich in nutrients, providing the essential sustenance the young need to grow. The mother continues to care for her young for approximately 4 months. During this period, she ensures they are well fed and protected from potential threats. During this time, the young platypuses grow rapidly, developing their fur, opening their eyes, and honing their swimming and foraging skills. These developmental milestones are critical for their transition to independence. Once they are weaned, the young platypuses venture out of the burrow and begin their independent lives. They explore their surroundings, learning to navigate the waterways and find food, continuing the cycle of life in the wild.